Hello, my friends. Welcome to the My Day 27 of 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. We're almost there. How are you doing? Are you enjoying this journey so far? What has been your favorite recipe that you've tried from this series? Leave me a comment below. I would love to know. For those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is Anonymous. I am a certified healthy lifestyle coach, and this practical, nourishing, and empowering eating plan is designed to help you reset your relationship with food, energize your body, and embrace a sustainable way of healthy living. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and follow for more videos like this. Let's get started. Day 27, breakfast, 1 boiled egg, 1 cup of fat-free milk, 8 ounces, 1 cup of fiber 1 cereal, or 1.5 cups of Cheerios. Lunch, peanut butter and banana sandwich, 2 slices of whole grain bread, 1 tablespoon of nut butter. It could be peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter, or even sunflower seed butter. And 1 or 2 a banana sliced. Snack, 1 whole bell pepper, any color, sliced, and 2 tablespoons of hummus or guacamole. Dinner, lemon chicken pasta, 1 piece of grilled chicken, 4 ounces, 1 cup of whole grain pasta. Add carrots, scallions, zucchini, and peppers. Sauté in 1 teaspoon lemon, garlic, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, pepper, and salt. Now let's take a closer look at these recipes, shall we? Breakfast is an essential meal that provides the necessary energy to kickstart your day. The combination of a boiled egg, fat-free milk, and cereal offers a balanced nutritional foundation. The protein in the egg and milk supports muscle repair and helps you feel full, while the carbohydrates in the cereal provide energy. Choose a whole grain or high-fiber cereal to keep your blood sugar levels steady and promote digestive health. As an alternative to the suggested cereals, you can opt for other nutritious options such as oatmeal or whole grain toast. Oatmeal is a fantastic source of fiber and can be topped with fruits or nuts for added flavor and nutrients. Whole grain toast can be enjoyed with avocado or nut butter for a satisfying and fiber-rich breakfast. For those who prefer savory morning meals, scrambled tofu with vegetables or a breakfast burrito filled with beans, cheese, and salsa are excellent choices. Tofu scramble offers a plant-based source of protein and can be customized with your favorite veggies for a nutritious and flavorful breakfast. A breakfast burrito provides a convenient and filling meal that can be made ahead of time. Lunch, the peanut butter and banana sandwich is a classic combination that offers a perfect balance of nutrients. The whole grain bread provides fiber and carbohydrates for energy. Peanut butter, a good source of protein and healthy fats, adds creaminess and satiety to the sandwich. The banana supplies potassium and natural sugars for a quick energy boost. If you're looking for alternatives, you can try a turkey and lettuce wrap using whole wheat tortillas for a lighter option, or opt for a Greek yogurt and cucumber sandwich on whole grain bread for a refreshing and protein-packed meal. For those following a vegan diet, a hummus and tomato sandwich on whole grain bread is a delicious and fiber-rich choice. Snack: the whole bell pepper with hummus or guacamole is a nutritious snack that provides a variety of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Bell peppers are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Hummus, made from chickpeas, offers protein and fiber, while guacamole, made from avocados, provides healthy fats and potassium. This snack is not only delicious, but also keeps you full and satisfied, preventing mindless snacking on less healthy options. If you're looking for other snack ideas, sliced cucumbers with dill and vinegar or baby carrots with a creamy dressing are great alternatives. These snacks are low in calories and packed with vitamins and minerals. Dinner, lemon chicken pasta is a light and flavorful dish that combines grilled chicken, whole grain pasta, and a zesty lemon sauce. Grilled chicken is a fantastic source of lean protein, and the whole grain pasta provides complex carbohydrates and fiber. The lemon sauce adds a burst of flavor and is a good source of vitamin C. To make this recipe, you can use your favorite whole grain pasta. Cook it according to the package directions. While the pasta is cooking, grill or pan-sear the chicken breast until cooked through. For the sauce, combine lemon juice, garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper in a bowl. Pour the sauce over the cooked pasta and add the grilled chicken. Toss to coat the pasta in the sauce and serve. If you're looking for alternative recipes, you can try lemon herb salmon with roasted vegetables or Greek lemon potatoes with shrimp. These dishes are equally delicious and offer similar flavors and nutritional benefits. And there you have it, another day, another step closer to your healthier self. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Celebrate every small victory and be patient with yourself. Your dedication is paying off, and the results will be worth it. See you tomorrow.